guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I am doing a San Francisco 49ers inspired makeup look. Can't really see the shirt, but it's a 49ers shirt. I actually did a San Francisco 49ers makeup look probably, nearly 10 years ago now. Wow. But it was before I started doing videos, so there's no video for it. It was back when I didn't actually take blogging seriously. So it's a little sparse, that blog post. But that just gave me the opportunity to, once I heard they were in the Super Bowl, do a brand new San Francisco 49ers makeup tutorial. I also have a Kansas City Chiefs makeup tutorial that I recorded last year. There is a link to that in the description box. I don't have a true preference of who wins the Super Bowl this year because, yet again, my Buffalo Bills were knocked out of the playoffs, so they're the team I want to win, but it's not going to happen this season, but I am still hopeful for next year. If I had to pick, I would probably go with San Francisco, just because so many of my friends like San Francisco. However, Taylor Swift is dating Travis Kelce from the Chiefs, so that makes it complicated for me because I like Taylor Swift. I think her music's incredible. But either way, I just hope it's a really good game and that it's fun to watch and that the commercials are funny. So I wanted to do, obviously, a 49ers look, but the problem was that the Kansas City Chiefs and the San Francisco 49ers have similar color schemes. They both have red, both have white, and they both have a goldish yellow going on. So since my Kansas City look had a lot of red lids, I went with gold for the 49ers. Kind of more similar to the helmets I saw them wearing in the last game. But either way, I think it was a lot of fun to create, and if you're going to a Super Bowl party, I think this or my Kansas City Chiefs look could be for you. One of the products that I love, the NYX Primal Colors in Hot Red, which is the most perfect shade in the world for all sorts of football looks, has been discontinued. I don't know why, I think it's perfect. But I do include a dupe to this on my blog. It's also from NYX and it's super affordable and it's very similar. So if you want to find this very similar red to do your own 49ers or Chiefs, I used it in both makeup looks, check out the blog. So without any further rambling from me, here is my San Francisco 49ers inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to start with the shade Desirable, that gold shimmer shade right there. And just dust that all over the lid of the eye, getting it really nice and saturated. Just a really nice muted gold from Tarte's Maneater palette, the Maneater After Dark palette. I've honestly gotten so much use out of that. So same thing on the other lid, just completely saturating the eye up into the crease. Next, take that red shade there and trace that through the crease of your eye, just all the way across. Normally I would blend out any crease color I'd put on the eye, but for this look I want super saturated color, nothing blended or muted. So just trace along the natural corner of your eye. Next, take a highlighter stick, this one's from NYX, and I just put it all over the brow bone. Want a really nice white shade. So just build that up. Then take a fluffy brush and blend it across the brow bone. So we have our nice gold, red, and white 49ers shades. Just keep dragging that across, just till you get that nice blended pearly white shade. Just grab any liquid liner, black liquid liner, and trace that across your lash line, just starting with a really small thin line and then building it up a tad wing it out just a little bit at the corners. It's really not about the black eyeliner. We just want a little bit of dark definition on the lash line. Then take a black pencil liner and run that along your lower waterline, about 3/4 of the way across. Again, just to get some nice definition. It's not really about the shade. Then take the shade Minx, also from the Tarte palette. This is more of a brassy gold shade, not great for the lid, but perfect for defining the lower lash line and giving it some sparkle with a little hint of gold to it. Take that about 3/4 of the way across your lower lash line, stopping just around the tear duct area, inner corner of the eye, because we're going to put something else there. Grab more of the NYX stick and a little liner brush. Wipe some of that on and paint that on the inner corners of your eyes. That area that we left clean on the lower lash line, take it along there as well and sort of meet it with that brassy gold shade. Same thing the other side. Just color in some of that white, give a really nice highlight to the inner corners of the eyes. Then grab yourself a volumizing mascara, then put a bunch of coats of that on your top lashes, just building up some nice coats. Get a nice contrast from the lashes and the gold lids. Nothing out of the ordinary. And then just swipe a little bit on the lower lashes as well. Nothing too crazy, just a light coat. Then use a concealer in your shade and use that to clean up anything that has fallen down, some of the shimmer, any of the red. Then I just start to work it in with my hand, just sort of taking it down along the cheeks, just to blend it all nicely so we don't have that weird little... Then I use a brush just to get closer to the under eyes and just to get that more natural finish. So it's all about blending, cleaning up any fallout, and giving you a seamless finish. Next, take a contour shade and just gently run that under your cheekbone. It's really not about the contour, it's just about the definition. So real easy, just along there, and blend it with your fingertips so we don't have anything too harsh. No strong contour lines in this look. Again, with the NYX stick, really getting a lot of use out of this. And highlight the tops of your cheekbones, blend as you go, up into the temples, all around the eye, getting you a nice white highlight. It's one of our main colors. Same thing on the other side. Blend it in, and look for that pearly highlight. Back in with more red, but this time we're going to use it as a blush on the apples of the cheeks and blend with your fingertips. So we still have our red, one of our main staple colors, but we're making it a little more subtle, really rosying up the cheeks. Then grab yourself a red liquid lipstick and just start to trace out your lip line. That's the great thing about these liquid lipsticks. especially the ones that have the nice applicators, they almost double as a lip liner. So all you have to do is trace along the outside of your lips and fill it in. Makes it a lot simpler. You don't have to worry about matching a liner and a lipstick. So just keep filling in your lips, tracing along, getting everything nice and even. Takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it in the long run. If you want, you can add a little bit of gold to the center of your Cupid's bow. I didn't, but it would be a nice addition. And here we have our finished San Francisco 49ers inspired makeup look. We've got the red, we've got the gold, we've got the white, a little bit of black to define the lashes. All ready for the Super Bowl. You really see the gold and the red and how they complement each other nicely. And that about covers my San Francisco 49ers inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you had fun. I hope it's something you can use. And I hope you enjoy the Super Bowl. Whoever wins, I hope it's a really fun, entertaining game. Check out the blog for more details, dupes to the red eyeshadow, like I mentioned in the beginning. If you like the Chiefs, check out my Kansas City Chiefs inspired makeup tutorial. It's also in the description box. And I will see you next time. Bye.